Sample question paper, theory, computer applications, code 165, class 10th, session 2024-25. Maximum marks 50, time allowed 2 hours. Friends, you can read the general instructions by pausing the video. Section A, all questions are compulsory. First, Shreya wants to securely copy files between two servers or two connected machines over the internet. Which protocol should she prefer for getting her task completed? Answer C. SCP. And full form of SCP is Secure Copy Protocol. Question 2. Which of the following is not an e-governance project in India? Answer D. www.flipkart.com. Question 3. Which tag besides B can be used to make the text bold in HTML? Answer A. Strong. Question 4. What is the full form of SMTP? Answer C. Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. Question 5. Which protocol is used for video conferencing among multiple participants? Answer C. VoIP. Question 6. Select the correct option to fill in the blank. A website may consist of answer C. Both A and B, that is static web pages and dynamic web pages. Question 7. Aman, a student of class 10, wants to create numbered list in HTML. Which of the following tag should he use? Answer B. OL. Question 8. Making a copy of your web page on the computer is known as answer C. Downloading. Question 9. Himani, a class 10th student, wants to remotely access a computer system far from her house. Which protocol out of the following should she prefer to access or log in it remotely? Answer D. Telnet. Question 10. Anshu, a class 10th student, is writing CSS code for making all span elements bold. Choose the correct code for getting the desired output from the following options. Answer B. Span, font weight, bold. Question number 11 and 12 are assertion and reason types. Each question consists of two statements, namely assertion A and reason R. Select the most suitable option considering the assertion and reason. Question 11. Assertion A. A set of rules used over the networks is called a protocol. Reason R. HTML is an example of a protocol. So friends, answer is C. Assertion A is true and reason R is false. Question 12. Assertion A. Chat and email are live, real-time conversation between people, machines. Reason R. We have to be online in both. Answer D. Assertion A is false and reason R is true. Question 13. Mishika, a class 10th student, wants to use the software but does not want to pay for it. Which type of software can she use? Write one example of this type of software. Answer: freeware or free and open source software. Example: OpenOffice. Question 14a. Write any two differences between e-banking and e-commerce. Answer: difference between e-banking and e-commerce. E-banking used for banking services only. E-commerce used for commercial services. E-banking, it is the name given to the process where a customer is allowed to use internet to access his bank account. E-commerce, it is the name given to the trading activities that are conducting using internet. Any other valid difference will also be considered. Question 14b. What is e-learning? Name any one e-learning platform. Answer: e-learning, learning that takes place in an electronically simulated environment like web-based learning or trainings. Platforms: example, Diksha portal. Question 15. State whether the following statements are true or false. First, HTML file extension is .tml. So friends, this is false. Second, row span attribute is used to make a cell span multiple rows. This is true. Third, unordered list type creates a bulleted list. This is also true. Fourth, href stands for hyperreference. This is also true. Question 16a. Your best friend emails you and tells you that he or she has created a web page on an internet site having URL as www.children.com/india/abc.html. Now you want to create a link to this web page from your web page. Write the HTML code to do this. Answer A. href is equals to http the URL, click here A. So friends, here is 1 mark for correct syntax of A tags and 1 mark for correctly using href attribute. Question 16b, write HTML code to display horizontal line of red color. Answer HR color is equals to red. Second, write HTML code to create a paragraph whose text color is blue. Answer. So friends, this is the code, you can write it down and 1 mark for each correct answer. Question 17. What is the purpose of HTML forms? Write HTML code to create a text box in an HTML form. Answer. HTML forms are means to collect information or data from the site visitor and the correct code is this. You can note it down. Question 18. A. An incomplete CSS code within head and head is given below. Complete this code by filling in the blanks as per the specifications that follow. So friends, this is the code and we have to fill in the blank like line 1 and line 1 page background color should be blue. So here should come BG color. Answer BG color. Second line, color of the paragraph text should be green. So here should come color. Answer color. Line 3, font family of the paragraph text should be Dotum. So here should come answer font family. Line 4, the biggest heading should be black in color. So here should come H1. Answer H1. Or question 18b, Hemant, a class 10 student, is writing HTML code to create ordered and unordered lists for a web page as follows. Based on the above code, fill in the blanks given in line 1, line 2, line 3 and line 4 so that Hemant's web page displays output correctly. So here is line 1, here should come answer H1, my first heading. Line 2, in the blank, answer is type. In line 3, in the blank, answer is li. In line 4, in the blank, answer is ul. Question 19. Write any two differences between SMS and MMS. Answer. SMS short message service, MMS multimedia message service. SMS, one can send only plain text. MMS, it allows one to send images, videos, audio, GIFs, PDFs and text. Section C. Question 20. The following HTML statements are not written properly. Rewrite the correct statements with underlined corrections. The desired purpose of each statement is mentioned under it. First, body color equals to red. Page background color should be red. Answer. So friends, here should come BG color like this. BG color. Second, font type is equals to Arial. Type of font should be Arial. So friends, here error is here type. Here should come face. Font face is equals to Arial. Third, img source is equals to img underscore girl dot jpg. Size 500, height 600. Image source should be img underscore girl dot jpg. Width and height both should be 500. So friends, error is here in the size. Here should come width and also here should come img src. You can see the code here img src img underscore girl dot jpg. Width is equals to 500 and height is equals to 600. Question 21. Consider the URL https www.cbse.gov.in and answer the following questions. First, which component identifies the protocol? Answer HTTPS. Second, what is the significance of S in HTTPS? Answer, it signifies that the transmission of information over the network is secure. Question 3, expand the terms URL and www. Answer, URL Uniform Resource Locator, www World Wide Web. Question 22. Write any two ways to add an audio file in a web page using HTML. Explain with sample code. Answer. First is using embed tag embed src audio.mp3. Second, using audio tag audio controls source src is equals to horse.mp3 audio. Or question 22b, Write any two ways to add a video file in a web page using HTML. Explain with sample code. Answer. First, using embed tag, embed src is equals to words.mp4. Second method, using video tag, video controls, source src is equals to horse.mp4. Horse.mp4 and tag closed video. Question 23. Write suitable HTML statements to display the following text on a web page. First, ns3, second, x cube, third, a plus b cube. Answer. First code for ns3 is this, second code for x cube is this, and third code for a plus b whole cube is this. We know sub is subscript and sup is superscript. Section D. Question 24a. Write the HTML code to design the web page as shown below. So friends, this is the web page and we have to write HTML code for this. So the HTML code to design form is this. You can write it down and note it down by pausing the video. So friends, half mark for correct usage of HTML, title, body, opening and closing tags. 1 mark for correct usage of each tag, form, input, type, text. Half mark for correct code of radio buttons of gender selection. 1 mark for correct code of check boxes for selection of food items. So friends, 1 mark for correct code of creating list with all options for selection of staff behavior. Or question 24b, write the HTML code to design the web page as shown below. Table border should be 2, height is equals to 100 and width is equals to 300 with cell padding 20. So friends, this is the table and the HTML code you can see on your screen. This is the HTML code. You can pause the video and note the HTML code. 1 mark for correct usage of HTML, title, body, openings and closing tags. 1 mark for correct usage of table tag. 1 mark for correct usage of first tr tag along with th tag with call span attribute each. So our HTML code ends here. And 1 mark for correct usage of tr, th and td to display each row. Section E, question 25. Mr. Anek comes from a village which recently started seeing the digital revolution and now the people of his village have access to the internet. They can shop online, make payments online, sell online and so on. Anek is also excited with these new changes. He ordered some items online and entered his bank card details on the web page to make the payment. But still, after passing of the promised due date, he has not received his ordered items. There is no way to contact the company as phones are unreachable and emails are not being responded. He also noticed after some days that someone is sending emails on his behalf using his personal data. Based on the above information, answer the following question. First, Mr. Anek is a victim of answer cybercrime online fraud. Second, Mr. Anek finds that his personal details are now leaked. This means his dash is compromised. Answer privacy. His privacy is compromised. Third, while filling out details online, Mr. Anek should have checked dash in the URL. Answer HTTPS. Fourth, this type of incident will be recognized as a case of dash specify the type of crime. Answer identity theft. Question 26. Based on the following information, answer the questions which follows. Shresht was a bright student who excelled in academics and extracurricular activities. He intended to take some course and literature from internet to write an article for newspaper. First, identify the type of ethical issue he will face in case he copies the work as discussed in the above case study. Answer: plagiarism. Second, does the above incident described above can be considered as an example of IPR, intellectual property rights violation? Answer: no, it cannot be considered as an example of IPR violation. Third, how can he avoid this ethical issue? Answer: he can avoid it by acknowledging the sources and giving credits to the sources. Fourth, suggest two netiquettes that Shresht's classmates must be aware of. Answer: any two netiquettes. First, one should respect others online. Second, one should not bully anyone and avoid hurtful and hateful comments. Friends, our sample question paper theory for computer applications is now complete. If you like the video, kindly like it and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching.